Nice maple tree first. We cut it down. This thing was hanging over all that landscape there. Very much like one of those kind of trees that has a target, and it would be that house. So it's actually kind of sad to see the tree go, but it makes a lot of sense for them to cut it, because a tree like this in nature, there's no problem with that. There's no problem with this in nature, but whenever you have targets, then you have to start considering more than just, you know, the beauty of trees and whatnot. Yeah. So anyway, here's a little bit about the setup. Rope Burner Pro, spore anchor, ART positioner, 2 with a really cool pencil swivel on it. Should a nice